Hi, what's going on everybody? So welcome back to my channel once again, and my name is Nolan, and today's video I'm gonna show you how Google provide us a $5,000 threshold credit, which is actually doing pretty good, and we are doing also pretty good because we are promoting a simple product in Amazon affiliate, which is really doing some goods. And this type of YouTube video is actually providing some good traffic and good sales in my Amazon affiliate link. So I put the link in the YouTube description, and people watch our video and click the link in the description, so they just purchase my product. Also, if they purchase another product or not my product, even if I did, I will receive the commission. So this is really pretty impressive and pretty fantastic. And if you want to promote your personal product, then you can also do it, but people is actually like to order in Amazon, so we did it in the Amazon. And yes, as you can see here, this is impression, and impression is 82,000 of the impression, which is really fantastic, and the view is 12,000, which is pretty impressive. And as you can see here, the PVC, the CPV, that means cost per views, is 0.05, which is really impressive and really cheap, I think, because compared to the targeted audience, this is really fantastic of the CPV we receive. The view rate is 5.46%. Person is really impressive, but for the thumbnail of the YouTube video, we did not optimize this, and we actually not optimize this catchy thumbnail, because why the view rate is low. But if we optimize this somehow, then the view rate will be must increase. But for this type of video, we hire a model and they just do for us, and we just actually put this campaign for a test. So we don't do it for this. We don't actually don't optimize this type of thumbnail. So as you can see here, the cost is $692, which is I think is for the 12,000 of views in $682. This is really high, but actually it works, because for the 12,000 of views of the targeted views, that means each and every person, the video you show, they are your person. That means you put your keyword, and they will search your video, and they will watch your video, and they will buy your product, which is really fantastic in my opinion. So as you can see here, we just promote this YouTube ads. Actually, we just promote this YouTube ad in July 18th, that means last month, and today is 11 August. That means we run this ad for 32 days, I think, and this is doing really some goods. So if I like to show you the billing payments here, you will see that how it goes. So let me show you the billing here. Here is the billing payment. So I'm just going to the billing payment here, and you will see that here is actually we just spending here is $682, which is I think the 16 or 15% of this $5,000 impression. As you can see here, it's not impression, sorry, it's a threshold, $5,000 threshold. And as you can see here, is actually spending here is $682 of the 30 cents, which is pretty impressive. I use a PayPal payment option here, but this is not a matter, because this is already providing us a $5,000 threshold credit, so the payment doesn't matter. So as you can see here, the transaction is really zero here. This is why, because this is the threshold account, and all of your billing was going from here, so the transaction will be zero. So I think you understand how it goes and how we do it, and you you can actually also do it. So check out the link in the description, check out this video link in the description. We have a blog here, and you must have to visit our blog so you will understand that how actually we are doing it, and how you can also do it with our course. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and visit our website. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.